From here on out, it's just a matter of selecting the right fields and displaying them. So let's do that. You've already done all of this before. We're just going to go through it one more time, and you'll see that there's just a slight variation in that there's a relationship coming into play when we select the fields. So we have our username, but we actually want to change the output of this to add heading 3 tags around it. Let's go ahead and click it. And we also want to uncheck link this field to its user. And we'll use style settings since we know we can easily select a heading 3 tag here. So we have customize field HTML. For the HTML element, we'll choose H3 and apply all displays. And if we scroll down, we see Betty Davis listed here as an H3 tag. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the image. I'll click add. Let's do a search for image, and we want the user image. So we'll check that and select all displays. We'll uncheck create a label. The formatter is always going to be image in this case. The image style, we'll select sidebar. We'll link the image to nothing and click apply all displays. And if we scroll down, we'll see the user image. Next is the bio. So we'll click add. We'll do a search for bio. We'll select the only option there, apply all displays. We'll uncheck create a label and we'll click apply all displays. We'll scroll down to preview and there's our bio. And then finally we have the link to the homepage. So we'll click add. We'll select personal, which is the name of the link, and we'll check user personal site and apply all displays. We'll uncheck create a label, and for the formatter, we're going to select our custom formatter again. Instead of going through the process of rewriting this field, we already have the custom format we can leverage. So we'll click apply all displays and scroll down, and there we have it.